Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
So much people. Oh my.
What did you say to me?
Do you know how many kids die on that road because of what you just did?
What did I do?
You went out in the middle of the thing.
It was a passing lane. My pass was legal.
Sir. But there's cars coming. There's teenagers driving. You were right behind the car.
Why do you care?
Because I've watched.
It's my responsibility.
Yeah, but
when I see kids.
We're behind you.
Okay.
Before that, you were right behind the truck. And kids, there's a high school here. There's a high school here, and there's kids that have died.
Look.
You're in my neighborhood. Go.
Look.
Go.
When the government says it's legal, then I can do it. Okay. Go f yourself.
Oh God, yeah, you feel better? Let me call the cops on you.
Call the cops.
I will.
You little. Hi. I have you on the camera.
Good. Get out of my neighborhood.
I have you on the.
Get out of my neighborhood right now. I'm calling the cops on harassment. I'm getting the picture of you home.
I got your license plate too. AAZH02.
You know what, buddy? You're a jerk. I'm calling.
Little. I have you on my dash cam. I have you on my dash cam.
I saw him too.
I saw him too, but I was like, is he really gonna do it?
What the f?
Record it. Call the cop. Call 911.
I can't even get the f out of my car.
Call 911. He tried to get off. We have his license plate.
These two call 911. Just got hit by a car that ran a red light, and he just took off. It's a hit and run. And I got everything on video.
Probably. I may have sent a picture when I killed it, but position where I can one of the flat mops and directly down on it. So so I could directly down on it, killing it. And then even after that, I still had to like hope that it was dead as I picked it up with a fucking paper towel.
I can completely relate. I mean, not on that exact bug, but like I've got my fucking
Oh my god.
Oh, what a thing to say.
I want to be with your ass.
Dude!
Sorry. I was bracing for impact there.
Woo!
Make a slight left turn on Lakeside Village Circle, then make a left turn.
Okay, Presto. Okay, Presto. Holy.
Whoa.
This Joe was busy.
You gonna go?
Hey.